Hello and welcome back. It is time to try the oatmeal stout that I brewed on that live stream brew day on the, was it the Grainfather? And it's ready to drink. In fact, we've been drinking it already. Just finally got around to making this video and it turned out really well. Pretty darn well. Very good actually. So that's why I thought I'd share it with you guys. As you know, I don't tend to like to want to share recipes a whole lot if I don't have confidence in it. I want to make sure I taste it myself, make sure it's share worthy, so to speak, and it's definitely share worthy. This is definitely a really good beer. I haven't made a stout in a couple of years or more. It's going through a dry spell, but it is midwinter, it's cold. This is that time of year where I like to drink stout, so I went ahead and pushed through. Plus, it's February, it's stout month, so cheers, and it's very good. So anyway, the recipe, I'll put that down in the video description down below. If you missed my live stream brew day, it's already been recorded. It's still on my channel. You can go back and watch the entire thing. You can even fast forward through it if you want. It's been DVR'd there, right? So go back and see what I did in that video. You can download my recipe. I'll put it back in that video if it's not already there, and I'll put it in the description in this video here as well. But it is about as well as I expected it to be. It actually, it tastes a lot like that Samuel Smith oatmeal stout, which is what I was striving for. To me, that's the epitome of the style, is the Samuel Smith oatmeal stout. And I think I drank a bottle, Chad and I drank a bottle of that during that brew day as sort of to get us psyched up for brewing this beer. And I am actually very happy that this turned out very similar to it. Not any one thing stands out. It's a smooth, drinkable stout. It's not oily. I didn't use too much oats. It's not burnt or coffee flavored like some ones are. An oatmeal stout is actually kind of a sweet stout. So I chose the yeast and designed the recipe to get a higher residual final gravity, which gives that little bit of a malty sweetness to it. The hops are there, but they're subdued like they should be. This is really outstanding. This is definitely a keeper. So, don't want to waste any more time. Just want to give you that update. And if you have any questions, put them in the comments down below, and I'll try to get back to you on them, okay? All right. Prost, cheers, skull. See you later.